Okay, now we are here after 30 days and the harvest of chilies were waiting for us, and so many chilies. Wow, what a joy when you get so much. Like we invested time in this and some care in this, and today it is our day. That is after 30
Oh
days
my gosh,
exactly.
loads of chilies.
Loads of chilies, and I would say that thank you, God, for blessing this much for us. Here,
Hmm.
see the long chilies. Ayo. Yes. So, oh, one more is there. Here, there are two. And here is one. Yo,
Hmm.
you can let them come new now.
Oh, that's the first tree. Now the second tree.
Remove that.
Oh. Oh, so many chilies. Here we go, next lot.
Okay, now next lot. This is another chili.
Plant looks a little bit dead because of the heavy sun and not much water here because it all got evaporated. Nice.
Sure.
Nice big chilies.
Yeah. And my marigold is doing well, and then some brinjals are coming here. If you can see some few more, and
Lime. Here there's a lime.
lime is coming, so that is also good. Then one more brinjal, wow, bigger one brinjal is there. So that one is not ready, so we want to remove it. And this is our cucumber,
Which is
so heavy.
so big. Dried up.
Oh my god, I can't lift. Oh, very heavy. Oh, yes. So that we got after a month.
Show them the gosale.
And then here is our rich gourd after a month.
Second one. And third one.
Third one. Come cut this over here. And this is another type of chilies. So here is one. And so much joy it is. You will understand only if you plant and you get the fruits, how you
And
prune,
harvest
how you
it.
take care,
Eat
and
fresh.
fresh, yeah. What we say, you have to experience by growing them.